Okay, my friends, today we're dealing with an older American Standard toilet that has a phantom flush problem. Every couple of hours they hear the swishing of the water filling in the tank even though no one touched the toilet, and we're going to deal with that now. This is the toilet here. You can see it's an older American Standard because it doesn't even say American Standard, it just says Standard on it. And this is the kind of valve you're going to deal with inside. So I always recommend replacing the flush valve, but that's not what's doing this phantom flush problem. It's coming from the seal on the bottom of this guy, which gets pushed up when you do the handle. I have other videos on how to replace this, so just check my toilet repair playlist. So we're going to just concentrate in this video on how to replace that valve there. It's very simple. First thing we're going to do, take the hose out of the top. This part unscrews. Set it aside, and then we're going to be able to lift this up away from the handle. We don't want to damage the handle lever, okay? And the bottom here, you can see where the bottom of that black seal is a little wavy on one side. That's what's actually causing the problem. I'll try to do this one-handed. This comes off. It's called a feather valve. And I might have to put the camera down for that, but we have the new one right here. Feather washer, American Standard. So holding it with one hand, I'm just grabbing an edge of this thing and kind of stretching it off. The old one. Take the new one. Now this feather washer, feather valve, whatever you want to call it, because this is an older American Standard, you may have to go to like a plumbing supply house. They might not have it at the hardware stores or the home centers. So you may have to go to a real plumbing supply house, and that's it. You just kind of stretch it over the plastic rim there, okay? So that the feathery part is facing down. And that's it, it's on there, okay? Nice and even. And the feathery part is facing down towards the valve. Now we're going to take this assembly and put the hole over that shaft. We're going to kind of push the handle out so the handle ends up there, okay? We'll make sure this is centered on there. We're going to screw that little cap back on. Stick the hose back in there, and you've just replaced the feather valve on your American Standard toilet. Of course, I had shut the water supply at the bottom, but like I said, I would always replace this just as a maintenance issue when I'm doing that. And I do have in my toilet repair playlist, you'll find videos on how to replace a Fluid Master 400A fill valve. It's very easy too. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to sub while you're here. Use the comment box below. That's what it's there for. Any questions or comments you can put down there. And we'll see you later, YouTube.